Hey guys, this is Rich from RDVFL, and in today's workshop, we are going to provide a solution for you when your BMW amplifier fails in your 2004 to 2019 BMW. So a very common problem with older BMWs with the fiber optic system and the fiber optic amplifier in the trunk is that the drains get clogged, and a lot of times water gets into the trunk and the amplifiers get wet. And the factory amplifiers are very, very hard to get or don't exist in some cases for a lot of these vehicles. And you have no other choice but to change the amplifier and put an aftermarket amplifier since you can't get an OEM amp. So we have a solution that will allow you to add an aftermarket amplifier and receive the fiber optic MO signal directly from the radio into our interface, and will allow you to add the aftermarket amplifier to solve the problem. So the solution to the problem for the 2004 to 2019 BMWs when the factory amplifier fails, if it has the fiber optic connections to it, is our preamp interface for the MOST 25 system in BMWs from 04 to 2019. And what this does is this allows you to remove the factory amplifier that has gone bad from water damage or just from old age, and replace it with an aftermarket amplifier with a DSP, and take the audio signal directly from the radio through the fiber optic system. So you see this has a fiber optic port on it right there. And that's where the factory fiber optics that would normally plug into the amp will plug into our preamp interface. And then all you need to do is just give this constant power and ground, and there is your solution to your defective amplifier. Additionally, I would also recommend using the Toslink output to the DSP of your choice, and that is going to ensure that you have the best sound quality coming from the system that you can get. So there you have it, guys. If you have a BMW between 2004 and 2019, and either the amplifier has failed or you just want to upgrade the stereo system in there, then definitely check out our AR1-BMW-M25 preamp interface for BMWs with the MOST 25 system, the fiber optic based system, and you can find them at rdvfl.com.